Hi everyone, welcome back to Livy's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I wanted to pop on and show you guys the scrapbooking kit that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I purchased it at a time where they had all of the scrapbooking elements on sale for 50% off, so I was able to get the $9.99 kit for $4.99, and it's just a really quick and easy and effortless way to put together a scrapbook page, create a gift using different elements for a little girl or granddaughter, niece, friend, cousin, what have you. But this particular scrapbook kit came with several different elements, and I'll start off with from smallest to largest, which they have the 3 different color rhinestones in descending order from smallest to largest: pink, yellow, and orange, and they're very sparkly, so I like that this adds a different little element to it. It's not just paper and stickers. And then it also comes with this. Now this kind of slid off because there's so much glitter on the sheet, but it says it's a girl, and that S is around here somewhere. Oh, here it is. It's a girl. And then this little dress is on a hanger. I think that's really cute that it has a little bit of tulle on top, rhinestone on the flower, and then you've got these buttons, these acrylic, it's almost like pendant, but they're backed with foam. Let's see what you call it. Foam tape. It's foam tape on the back. And then you got my cutie, my sweet baby. You got the cute little teddy bear with the rhinestone bow, and again the word "it's a girl" popped up on foam tape or foam stickers, foam dots, whatever. Okay, and so I like that little setup there because it does again offer some different it adds dimension to your page or to your cards, whatever it is that you are making, your creation. And then of course it comes with this really pretty colored well, thickers is what they are, and they're foam but they're glitter. So you've got orange, white, pink, lime green, like a pale teal, and pinks, 2 different shades of pink. Okay, and these are great for title pages, and if you're making a card, it just adds dimension. It also comes with this sticker sheet, baby rattle, teddy bear, words, little dress, pacifier, rattle, bracelet, stroller, little shoes. I think these are adorable. And then again, like I said, it has different words, inspirational words. Baby themed words, I should say, not inspirational. Okay, and then it does have in here different I want to call this chipboard. Now what you do with chipboard is you can either you can spray paint it, okay, you can paint it, you can add glitter to it, you can foil over it, you know, embossed, you know, that type of, I mean, it's kind of endless as to what you can do with it. You can also Mod Podge over it, you know, napkin art. So you can use this in different ways. It's definitely, if you are not accustomed to using chipboard, you definitely want to go on YouTube and check out a few videos on how to use it and what's the best ways to do so. So that came with it, as well as so this came like this. These circles, which I honestly, well, yeah, it's large enough for a scrapbook page. Yep, so that came like that. And that also came inside of this, which you can use either in a, so you can use this either in a frame, scrapbook page, you know, wall art, different elements. You know, you just have to use your creativity and don't be afraid to allow your inspiration from another area to help guide you in your creations. It doesn't have to be verbatim. It doesn't have to be piece by piece, color for color, but allow your inspirations from other artists to help guide you in your creations. You know, it could be someone could have put out a video on Christmas cards. You use that same concept and maybe alter it a little bit and make it your own. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. This is scrapbooking. You're going to be inspired by something, be it nature or another artist, but it's all coming from the same source, in my opinion. Anyways, so here are the pages. Each design comes with 2 sheets. It's one-sided paper, and I will tell you that with most of the MAMBI kits, the pages are not very thick, so these can't be your base sheet for your scrapbooking layouts. You will have to use a cardstock and then layer on top of them using the different sheets. So you have the pink, the white with the pink polka dots. We also have the pink background with the white stitching and the flowers with this heart centers. I think those are so cute. You've got I like this pop of red. It's not a lot. They don't have a lot in the whole kit, but it's enough. Red with lighter red stars. It looks pink on screen, but it's red. It's like a muted red. Then you have different shades of pink stripes, white and orange here, and that's going to make for a really fun layout. And I love a little bit of doodle art. So this is light pink with like a Pepto-Bismol pink doodle. And lastly, the pale pink with the dark pink polka dots. So this is the MAMBI kit. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you've gotten some inspirational points to use in your scrapbooking and card making, paper crafting. And until we meet here again on YouTube, please stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. And I just want to thank everyone for watching and for supporting this channel and for, you know, making my gift of craft and a form of therapy something that I enjoy doing and allowing me to share it with you. So feel free to share this on your social media. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit subscribe for future videos, paper crafting, as well as other different forms of crafting. And until we see each other here, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.